Hi! So, this is the third video in the series of creating a chatbot project from idea to launch. I've already described how I got the idea of a city quest bot and why I think a chatbot seems to be a suitable format for this project. When you are making a chatbot for someone and you are a programmer, usually you will be provided the contents to be used. These materials are usually prepared by other specialists, like writers, conversational designers, etc. But when you are making a bot from end to end, you'll have to cover this part too. As I've said, I have never created any quests before, and I also had a very modest experience in passing quests, so had almost no idea about the arena mechanics. The first thing I've done, I consulted with people who have experience in creating or playing quests. I talked to Nikolai Korol and Yulia Monastyrna. They provided me examples, ideas, and their experience, and also their view of perspectives of creating city quests in general. Next, I started Googling to find some quest examples and the general algorithm of creating city quests on the web. This was quite interesting. I came to know about such things as MIT Mystery Hunt and similar quests, about different interesting places in my city, etc. To make the long story short, the most useful resource for my needs was an article found on one Russian website, which is a web constructor for quests. I will provide the link below. The general idea is the following. Look at the map of your city, choose places of interest, study or photo of them, then prepare questions, tasks to code these places and combine them into some scenario. So I opened Google Maps and thought about the interesting places that could be used for a quest. For each candidate place, I was looking for some interesting and original tasks. Other things should be taken into consideration when choosing places, such as their relative distance, general accessibility, and if they are okay to be visited in different parts of the day and year, etc. As I am cycling, I also visited some of the places selected to have a closer look at them. For example, when they can't be seen on Google Street View. So finally, I made a table like this. I also used Strava Roads Builder to calculate approximate distance and duration of the quest. And so my planned quest should consist of 7 tasks and needs users to ride about 17 kilometers during about 4 hours. I devoted one of my morning rides to go through the quest, and after this I removed some tasks and corrected the route. In summary, preparing the contents for this quest took about 2/3 of the time spent on this project, and still I am far from being satisfied with the results. So, we have contents and are close to start creating our chatbot and do actual coding. But before that, we need to choose the architecture, tools, and requirements for our project. Please see the next video.